Good morning, fifth graders. It is Tuesday, almost said Wednesday, Tuesday, October 6th, and we have a pretty normal day today. Couple things in each folder. There is a video to watch in science and an exit ticket to complete about that video. So, guys, I should not see anybody who is answering those questions or trying to answer those questions without watching the video first. So, please get in there and do that first. For math today, we are continuing with unlike denominators. Yesterday, we spent time with adding fractions of unlike denominators, and today it is subtracting. So the biggest key to all of this, or the biggest hurdle, because the adding and subtracting are just adding and subtracting, but the key is to make sure that we have that common denominator. Okay, and so pretty much the same skill as yesterday in terms of what we needed to do. We needed to create new fractions, equivalent fractions with a common denominator. And so if you look at today's video and something doesn't make sense, you could go back to yesterday's and just kind of rewatch those. But I want to commend the couple of students, and I think there was 3 or 4 of them yesterday, who, when they were distance learning, raised their hand, asked questions, said, hey, can we set up a Zoom meeting, those kinds of things. And we were able to accomplish understanding the skill a little bit better, I think, just because you're not trying to learn it off that video. You weren't grasping it through that, whatever. So please make sure that you are reaching out. I know it is not the easiest thing to do. I know it's not the most normal thing for us to do right now, but guys, I'm here. I'm trying to teach the kids who are in class what the skill is and how we're going to make this stuff happen. But in all honesty, you guys at home need to advocate for yourself. You need to send me a Schoology message. Say, Mr. Mace, yeah, I tried the assignment. I watched the video. I tried the assignment. It just didn't go well. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong, or I'm not sure how to get that common denominator, whatever that might be. And please take advantage of that. Tomorrow's Zoom meeting, guys, at 10 o'clock. Again, we're trying to be as consistent as possible. So tomorrow at 10 o'clock, we will have our Zoom meeting. I expect, again, everybody to be there if you are able. We are going to be doing a little bit of a tutorial in there, as well as trying to kind of do some team building activities and some things like that. But I do want to make sure that you are understanding this concept. Probably going to be one of the last things we do during this rotation for ourselves, guys, is probably this unlike denominator stuff, trying to really make sure we understand this concept. Remember that you are done with math for a couple of weeks after Friday, okay? So we want to make sure that we are getting those missing assignments done. I will also show you during tomorrow's Zoom, again, a reminder, refresher, because we've shown you all how to get there at this point. But that reminder and that refresher of how to find your missing assignments and how do you know what you don't have turned in. And you all got that grades tab in the left side of your Schoology page. So hopefully you are taking advantage of that, and you are making sure that you know how to find those things you're missing, because it's not an easy thing to do your first time and try to navigate through. So if you have questions about where, or am I missing something, Mr. Mace, or where do I find that, that would be another question you could definitely ask me, okay? So I guess the point I'm trying to make today, guys, in this welcome video is making sure that you are speaking up and you're not just going through the motions, and you're not just kind of sitting here hoping I don't call on you, or staying at home saying, boy, I'm sure glad I'm not in class today trying to learn this. We really want you all to be successful. And to do that, you need to take the ownership of your learning as well. Probably no more so than any other time of your educational career, the effort and the ownership has to come from you. We just don't have the ability to see who's struggling as quickly or as efficiently as we normally do as teachers. So please make sure that you are, like I said, advocating for yourself and taking the time to make sure that you are checking in with us, that you understand the concept. Look forward to seeing everybody on Wednesday as well at the Zoom. We had a great turnout last Wednesday, so I'm hoping that will be the same case this Wednesday, 10 o'clock. I'll send that Zoom link out again tomorrow morning right before the Zoom. All right? Have a great day, and please ask questions, fifth graders.